In this video, we'll explore all the animals we had seen throughout our trip. Land animals only, as I will do another video for all the sea creatures and seascapes we've seen. I hope you enjoy. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll talk soon, witches. I just have to quickly say that ravens and crows were everywhere we were on our trip. They talk, they work with other animals, and they are just so neat and exciting to watch. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. This guy here was just so cool. He just let me film, no problem, no back talk. I really enjoyed him. This cute little guy just kept making an appearance, but he wouldn't come all the way out. I was actually surprised he let me film so much of him. I will say this, afterward, he absolutely covered his hole in. Put some right there, babe. Huh? Put some right there. Here he is trying to come out another spot, and we had put a marshmallow there trying to get him to take it. He never did. The birds eventually did, and so, yeah. And this one here is these blue jays. They work with the crows and the ravens, and they're really great birds. They're actually very pretty as well. On the bench. They have no fear. They didn't bother my dog, and she did not bother them. Tripped over Luna's dish as they keep eating her dog food. I guess I decided my truck was a good place to be. This crow here just climbed up on my truck and made himself at home. I thought it was cute, so I wanted to add that in. Hold on. Here you have what's called ground squirrels. Somebody said they were the same as prairie dogs. I honestly don't know for sure, but they are jittery little creatures just like a squirrel, except for these guys burrow into the ground. There were hundreds in this camp, and here you see this creepy little lizard. Creepy little lizard. Yeah. Where'd he go?
He's right there in the back.
Well, I mean, I can't see him in the video.
So cute! They have black teeth. Amy, see that? Wait, back up a little bit so you can see.
He just went behind the grass. Hey, there's another one.
Oh, it's happening.
Oh, it went in the big grass. I missed it.
He's over here.
Where?
Over here, behind the field.
But there was just a baby one.
Yeah, those are probably life partners. I see it over there.
Hey, there's another one over there at the back of the hill. Do you see it over there?
Might your sister see it? Now I see why they call it elk.
There's one running.
Yeah, and then there's one sitting over there. There's her. I don't know. She's just still. She's like a statue.
Yeah, she's not moving. There she goes. She moved.
She's like, okay.
All right.